I'm 74-year, 10-month-old, retired from Indian Air Force. I had pain from last 3 years. Then some of my friends advised me for the Orthonova Hospital. As it is, told my friends, it is very good. Then I went to my MH for referral form. They gave me referral form, which I submitted here before a week. Within a week, all the things were done. I came on 2nd and 3rd my surgery was completed, and 4th 3rd night I was in ICU, 4th I am shifted to hospital. One thing special I want to tell, from surgery to my room, I had no pain, absolutely no pain. I am thankful to the staff, doctors, and everybody. Thanks.